Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and the trusted phone or device tied to it. Enter the email and check that you can receive verification codes. This proves ownership. Once done, make sure your device passcode or recovery key is available because Apple may require it for stronger recovery. Also verify you're on a stable network and note the device's location. This prevents lockouts and speeds the process. Now proceed to the account recovery or password reset screen. You're now in the middle of the reset flow. Open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. Choose Change Password if you remember your device passcode. This is quickest. If you don't, start account recovery and follow the on-screen prompts to send codes to trusted devices or numbers. Enter verification codes exactly and wait for synchronization. Apple propagates the new password across devices, which can take minutes. If prompted, update device passcodes and relog into services to avoid sync errors. You finish by signing back into iCloud on each of your devices, ensuring contacts, photos, and mail resync. Make sure apps like Mail, FaceTime, and the App Store prompt you to enter the new password. Complete those logins to restore full functionality. If the reset fails or you're locked out, try the recovery key if you saved one, or start account recovery again. Expect a waiting period. If nothing works, contact Apple support and provide verification details to regain access safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.